Welcome to Jen's Daily Dish. Today we're making pretzel sandwich buns. They will be so delicious and will go so well with so many things. Sandwiches, manwiches, anything that you can put inside a bun. Heck, eat them by themselves with some butter. Sounds delicious. Yes, yes, we have made pretzels before, and you can reference that video here. And we've also made bagels. And just like both of those recipes, this recipe is going to put the dough balls into that baking soda bath. Remember, it's essential. It's what separates a pretzel bun from just an ordinary bun. And we don't want that today. We want pretzel buns. We're also making it because let's give this one a try. I'm sure that I will want to make them all the time. You know I won't stop until I have made them mine. Well, they'll be yours too. This recipe comes together so quickly, we will be done in under 2 hours. Yes, 2 hours. Is this the first time I'm making it? Yeah, like always, but I have your company, so let's do this together. 1 3/4 cups warm water. 2 tablespoons unsalted butter. 3/4 teaspoon salt. 4 1/2 cups bread flour. We want that extra protein. 1/4 cup dry milk. 2 teaspoons instant yeast. Mix by hand or by mixer until you have a smooth, sticky dough. Let's check it. It looks smooth, it feels smooth, and it is also slightly sticky. This is perfect, exactly what we want. Cover for 1 hour, room temperature, and wait till it has doubled. All right, let's take a look. Woo-hoo-hoo! Look at that. Got quite big. We're gonna pour this out onto a lightly greased surface. Look at that. Let's put it out on a lightly greased surface and gently deflate it. Now what I'm going to do is to divide this into 10 equal pieces. Shape each into a smooth ball. Move the balls over to a greased cookie sheet. We're going to reuse this multiple times, and we're going to let it rest for 15 minutes. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees. Now it's time for the water bath. Bring 2 quarts of water to boil with a tablespoon of salt and the all-important 1/4 cup of baking soda. 5 in at a time. Boil 30 seconds each side. Scissors make a deep cross in the top. Just remember, a part of the outside is already cooked from the boiling process. Sprinkle each with some coarse salt. Bake for 20 to 24 minutes until they're a deep, dark brown, like pretzels should be. They are a lovely, deep, dark brown. Let's take them out. Oh, Yum, they smell great too. Move them over to a rack to cool, and then we'll taste them. Inspection time. First of all, they smell pretzelicious, just like they should. You'll see the outer crust is nice and dark brown, and the salt is staying on. And again, it looks like a pretzel. Let's tear it open and taste it. So let's open it up. It's nice, chewy exterior. I can feel that pull. Look at that inside. Lovely, nice, doughy, pretzel-y. Let's take a bite. I surprise and amaze myself sometimes. This is one of those because this really tastes like a pretzel. This is exactly what it's supposed to taste like. So it was easy. You saw me do it. I hope you made the recipe with me, because if I can do this, you can too. Really, seriously, and truly, this is a delicious roll. If I can make these pretzel sandwich buns for the very first time with you, you can too. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and check me out on Instagram at Jen's Daily Dish and More. And leave me some comments and let me know what you thought of the song and those delicious pretzel sandwich buns.